This is Nerd UK. I'm Dave. Welcome back to the channel. Hello again. Thanks for coming back and watching. So what I was waiting for yesterday seems to have arrived today. So we'll get into this, see what we've got. Also, I've got another little 3D print box to show you as well in a minute. But first of all, we'll just open this package. So just bear with me a second. I'm going to get into this. Delivery note. Let's get rid of that. Royal Mint. Bloody last. Okay, so a package inside a package. And yes, it's what I've been waiting for. Hooray! So it's the two definitive sets that I've been waiting for the Royal Mint. It took them a couple of months to deliver. At Westminster, ordered 2 weeks previous, came 2 days ago. So go figure. So it's no point opening these and going through them. But if you want to see the definitive set, go a couple of videos back. Watch that one. I opened one there from the one I got from Westminster. As I showed you the other day, I've started designing these little boxes for. I showed you this one the other day. This fits capsuled 1 ounce bars in. Ooh, love this one. Look at that. Very reflective, but very nice. Coca-Cola bar. Yeah, so I did that one and I thought, well, I've got all these 1 ounce rounds as well. It'd be nice to get little boxes made up, and then you can set yourself a little challenge. 10 slots, 10 ounces, fill it up. So that's what I did. So as you can see, it fits your normal size capsules in, and the slightly larger ones as well. So it fits every capsule I've got, it fits in there anyway. So, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slots, the same as the 1 ounce bar box. You've got 10 slots. What I can do as well, this is if anyone's interested. If you want one, just get in touch with me. I can make a little, I made that little logo. I can sort of go on top. I can have that fixed into place. Or you can have your name put on there. Anything. I can do anything. I'm made up with this 3D printer. It's fantastic. Yeah, so there we go. A little bit boring showing you a box. So let's have a little look what I've put in there. So we'll have a little look at these 10 1 ounce coins. There we go. Australian Brumby. What year was that one? What's on the other side, isn't it? You fool. I think that's 2022. Can't see in this light. There we go. It's a lovely little 1 ounce of that. We've also got, can't do anything one-handed these days. Nice Panda. These are 30 grams, of course, not the full ounce. That's 2020. It's one of my favourites. Lovely, lovely coin. We've got good old Kookaburra. Again, it's another series I've not started collecting, but I might. And I might use these boxes now. I could put 10 Kookaburras in each one, or 10 Pandas in each one. Possibilities are endless. So these in white are all me test. Every prototype I'll do in white, and then you can do any colour. We've got African wildlife, the leopard. Another lovely coin, that 2023. Another one of my favourites, one of my heroes, Muhammad Ali. It's a newie. There we go. Golden eagle. It's a lovely high relief coin, that actually. 2024 Samoa. Lovely coin. There we go. I've got one of the Zombooks series here, Pandemonium. They're nice coins, the Zombook series. I've got 3. I need to get the turtle. I've not got the turtle. I've got a nice Darth Vader there. Picked out all the reflective ones, yeah. A little bit too reflective, something. So that's 2020. And the last but not least in this little box is Year of the Dragon 2024 Asahi Refining. There we go. It's just a little mark on the capsule. Lovely, another lovely coin. Yep, so might print a few more of these boxes up and set myself a little challenge. 10 cups, 10 pandas. Now you can close it fully, or I can print a little rubber seal for these to make it as close to airtight as we can get it. That's pretty tight. It's a good fit. As I said, I can print these in any colour. I can put designs on them as well. I said, or I can print the design separately, like this one, or a name plaque, anything, and whatever colour I fancy. I can do a little kookaburra and put it on the top. Yeah, so possibilities are endless. So that's it for today. As I said, finally the Royal Mint have actually turned up with my definitives, so they can get put away in storage now. They're for the kids when they get older. Yeah, so if you've enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, comment down the bottom, send me a message on Stackers Social. Again, a little bit of promotion for Stackers Social. I'll put the QR code up there. You just, if you're watching this on your computer or your TV screen, you can just scan that QR code. It'll take you straight to the Discord group. It's free to join. There's loads of people in there, loads of knowledgeable people, loads of newbies like myself. You're never made to feel intimidated or any question. No question is a stupid question, because if you don't know the answer, it's not a stupid question. So just come along, chat to people in there. There's all sorts going on. It's a fantastic place, and there's loads of content creators as well, some really good ones. I mean, it was founded by 365, Days of Silver, the Stack Collector, and the Soundman. Again, 3 brilliant channels. I'll put the links for those channels down in the description as well. Yeah, thanks for sticking to the end. I've been Dave. This has been Nerd UK. As always, keep stacking.